Morning everyone, I just thought I'd make a little video for BTC and a few rambling thoughts on what I think is going on over the next hour or two. Just on the 15-minute chart, purely for a day trading perspective, no longer than that. I actually entered a mini short somewhere about here in the sort of 54.4s up to 54.5 region, not quite 54.5, but up there somewhere, because it was rejecting the 100 EMA under the cloud. And if I start to see these sorts of EMAs get on top of the price and start fanning down, then it's going to be hard to get back above it in the short term. The stochastics on the hourly and the 2 hour on my other chart are quite low, so it might get some sort of bounce, but if we break that low, unless it's a swing failure, then it could drift quite a bit lower. But at the moment, I'm not like super bearish, but it was just a day trade opportunity, so I took it. I'm just going to see where it goes. What was I going to say? Looking at the hourly, coming towards the cloud, might get a bounce on that cloud wall. We'll have to see. On the 2 hour, where we got rejected from that sort of resistance, so again it might drift down on the higher time frames. 4 hour, spike the top of the cloud, come down, so it's kind of a battle between the 1 hour cloud wall and the 4 hour sort of drifting down and down, so we'll see. At the moment I am bearish, but not super bearish, if that makes sense. Just see how it goes.